6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We back charge. 5, 6, 7. Now I'm already starting to get off the slot. So now we're gonna go back to back on 1, 1. Keep going. 2. Now we're gonna scoop again for another back to back. 3. Now the trick is here is to leave the left hand down as the right hand goes over. 5. We mark our time. 6, 7. Now my right hand is going to start going over her head as I turn to the left. 1, give her a right turn, left arm up, right arm down. 2, 3, I'm going to hammer lock it. So now on 5, as I complete her turn, I'm going to switch the hands. 5. So now we're right to right, left to left. I'm going to step to the side of her. 6. So now on 7, I'm going to be giving her a quick left, pulling with the right. 7. So now I'm going to be making her step forward on 1. On 2, I'm going to misdirect her. Stopping her with the left hand as I step behind her. 2. I'm going to make her replace a weight. 3. So now I'm going to push to the left to give her a broken left. On 5, 6, 7. So what I'm here is I'm holding 6, 7 in one foot. My hand is stopping her at the right hip. So now on 1, I'm going to give her a copa from the hip as I step, offset her with the right foot. 1. Now we're going to bring her forward. 2. I'm going to unwind her from the hip on 3 as I pike to the left. 3. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do the 2.5 laps. So turn right away. 1, 2, 3. Keep turning. 5, 6, 7. We're going to stop and do a prep. Now we're going to do half a turn first to the right and then a right turn. 1, then a right turn. 2, 3, 5. On 6, we're going to step to the right. 6. We're going to do a quick spin to the left on 7 on the left foot. 7. Bringing the right foot up. Now we're going to do a broken left. So we're going to go forward. 1, 2, 3. Turn 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a couple stop on 1. Replace the weight on 2. Turn 3, 5, 6, 7, cross right, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website, check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.